Hello everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Confidence. I'm so happy to have you here for another episode of our English podcast. If you're listening to me right now, I believe you want to improve your English. Maybe you understand English quite well, but when it comes to speaking, you sometimes feel nervous. You know what you want to say, but suddenly you can't find the right words. You start thinking, what should I say? Is my grammar correct? What if I make a mistake? And because of these thoughts, you sometimes choose not to speak. But today, I want you to change that mindset. You don't need perfect English to start speaking English. You need practice. So, in today's episode, I'm going to share some simple ways that can help you become more comfortable and confident while speaking English. Let's begin. First, stop being afraid of mistakes. This is probably the most important thing I want to tell you. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. When you're learning a new language, mistakes are completely normal. Imagine you're learning to ride a bicycle. In the beginning, you may lose your balance. But would you stop riding forever? Of course not. You would try again. Learning English is similar. You speak, you make a mistake, you learn from it, and you try again. So, instead of saying, my English is bad, try saying, I'm learning English and I'm getting better every day. That small change in your thinking can make a big difference. Second, start speaking with simple sentences. You don't need difficult vocabulary to sound good in English. Simple English is powerful. For example, instead of trying to say a very complicated sentence, start with, I'm feeling tired today. I have a lot of work. I'm going to the market. I watched a movie yesterday. I really enjoyed it. These are simple sentences, but they are useful in everyday conversations. Once you become comfortable with simple sentences, you can gradually make them longer. For example, instead of saying, I'm tired, you can say, I'm a little tired today because I had a very busy day. See? You don't have to learn everything in one day. Start small and improve step by step. Third, talk to yourself in English. This is one of my favorite English learning techniques. And the best part is, you can do it anywhere. You don't need a partner. When you wake up in the morning, talk about what you're doing. You can say, I'm getting ready for the day. I need to brush my teeth. I have to get ready for work. I think it's going to be a busy day. When you're cooking, say, I'm making breakfast. I need some vegetables. The food smells really good. It may feel strange at first. But don't worry about that. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Fourth, think in English. Many English learners first think in their native language and then translate everything into English. This can make speaking slow and difficult. So, start thinking in English. Don't start with complicated thoughts. Start with small things. If you're drinking tea, think, I'm drinking tea. If you're going outside, I'm going outside. If it's raining today. If you're hungry, I'm hungry. I need something to eat. These little thoughts can train your brain to use English more naturally. Fifth, learn phrases instead of individual words. This is another useful tip. Don't only memorize individual vocabulary words. Learn useful phrases. For example, instead of only learning the word agree, learn, I completely agree with you. Instead of only learning idea, learn, that's a great idea. Instead of only learning busy, learn, I've been really busy lately. When you learn complete phrases, it becomes easier to use English in real conversations. Sixth, listen and repeat. Listening is very important for speaking. Choose a short English video or podcast. Listen to one sentence. Pause. Then repeat the sentence aloud. Try to copy the pronunciation and rhythm. For example, if you hear, "What are you doing today?" Pause the video and repeat, "What are you doing today?" Do this several times. This technique can help you become more comfortable with English pronunciation and speaking. Seventh, practice every day. You don't have to study English for 5 hours every day. Consistency is more important than studying for a long time once in a while. Even 15 to 20 minutes every day can become a useful habit. You could spend 5 minutes listening, 5 minutes speaking, and 5 minutes learning new phrases. That's only 15 minutes. But if you do it regularly, you'll gradually notice improvement. So don't think, "I don't have enough time to learn English." Instead, ask yourself, "Can I give English just 15 minutes today?" I'm sure you can. And finally, be patient with yourself. This is something many learners forget. English fluency doesn't happen overnight. You won't wake up tomorrow and suddenly speak perfect English. Learning takes time. Some days you'll feel confident. Other days, you'll forget words or make mistakes. That's okay. Don't judge yourself because of one bad day. Look at your progress over time. Maybe today you can speak 5 sentences. After a few weeks, you might be able to speak for 5 minutes. That's progress. And you should be proud of it. Final message. So, let's quickly remember today's 7 tips. Number 1. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Number 2. Start with simple sentences. Number 3. Talk to yourself in English. Number 4. Try to think in English. Number 5. Learn useful phrases. Number 6. Listen and repeat. Number 7. Practice every day. And remember this. You don't need to be perfect to speak English. You just need to be brave enough to start. So, don't wait for tomorrow. Start today. Speak a few sentences. Learn a few new phrases. Listen to something in English. And keep going. Every small effort brings you one step closer to your goal. Thank you so much for spending these few minutes with me. This is Learn English with Confidence, and I'll see you in the next podcast. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English. Goodbye, and take care.